in my job, I'm in sales, so I'm having to do presentations in person and virtually. I was so happy during COVID because I could do them all sitting here in my chair and I could make my hair really big to make my face look smaller. I felt the bigger my hair was, the smaller I looked. And I didn't have to worry about, my clothes and feeling like a sausage in my clothes. Now I'm like, let's meet in person. I have a whole closet full of clothes now I can throw on, and it's just, I feel like I've can be me again. I can get out. I can contribute. Thank you for saving my life. I mean, because that was it. I have time for my kids and they're happier and they see a new mom. Thank you, Noom.